culture of the people. Now this is that you wipe on the street, don't make a rhythm. Really good this coming your way, like I would say.
Me and me brethren, them a sit down on the corner, light up the fire and a boil green banana. Later we have to go igloo out of Elsa.
Make a little stop by my girlfriend Lana. Long time when I see her, when a long time I wanna. Blaze up the music, not the sign that I've been my yard. I feel like jamming to the reggae beat. Bubble up your body, just a move your feet. I feel like jamming to the sweet vibration. Whoa, sweet Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Raise it to the sky and let me see your hand. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand.
Loud of mercy.
Sweet Jamaica.
It bounce on the tree and now.
Sweet Jamaica.
I like my sweet, sweet Jamaica.
Sweet Jamaica.
All over the world, them have the jam rock fever. One strong people with a powerful culture. Baba with style are the fastest runner. Jamaican girls, them sweet like sugar. Ackee and starfish and coconut water. The Blue Mountain make you fly a little higher.
I feel like jamming to the reggae beat. Dance to the rhythm and move your feet. I feel like jamming to the sweet vibration. Whoa, sweet Jamaica.
If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Raise it to the sky and let me see your hand. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Sweet Jamaica.
Sweet Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica.
Sweet, sweet Jamaica, we nah left ya. Love me ackee and my saltfish, we nah left ya. Sabia man banana, we nah left ya. I'm a big flower dumpling, we nah left ya.
Ain't nothing like the sweet cool breeze a jam down. String up the sun, one heap of vibes can't done. Reggae music beautiful and people just a have fun. Jerk on a place with a fish a steam down.
Me proud of me island. Lord of God, me say me proud of me island. Come in Vegas, we proud of me island. Outlaw Jones, you will me say me proud of me island.
Sweet Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Raise it to the sky and let me see your hand.
That's what we say.
If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand.
Right. Jamaica, Jamaica. That's where me come from. Bob Marley and the realism of the real icon. After international curry, they were the first champion. Now Usain Bolt at the world number one. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. I feel the island style. Don't let it go down. So make it flow, make it flow, make it flow. That's how we do. We say, I am with it.